Hey, AI enthusiasts and tech lovers, welcome back to AI Daily Scope, where we dive into the future, one innovation at a time. Today, we're unpacking something truly revolutionary, the Apple Vision Pro. This isn't just another piece of tech, it's a glimpse into the future of spatial computing, and I'm here to guide you through every detail. First up, let's talk apps. With over 600 apps now available for Vision Pro, Apple is reimagining what productivity looks like in a spatial computing environment. Apps like Box and MindNode are at the forefront of this shift, leveraging Vision Pro's capabilities to create a workspace without boundaries. Imagine launching Box on Vision Pro and seeing your files and folders suspended in the air around you, accessible with just a glance or a gesture. This spatial arrangement of data not only makes it easier to find what you're looking for, but also transforms collaboration, allowing teams to work together in a shared digital space as if they were in the same room. MindNode takes brainstorming and idea mapping to another level by allowing thoughts and connections to float in the space around you. This 3D representation of ideas can enhance creativity and problem solving, making it easier to visualize complex projects and workflows. The integration of Microsoft 365 brings familiar productivity tools into the spatial computing era. Imagine drafting a Word document or analyzing Excel data in a virtual office space where your documents and spreadsheets can be as large or as small as you need, all while remaining perfectly crisp and clear thanks to Vision Pro's high-resolution displays. For gamers, Apple Arcade on Vision Pro offers an unprecedented level of immersion. Titles like NBA 2K24 and Sonic Dream Team are not just games you play, they're worlds you step into. With Vision Pro, your living room can transform into the basketball court of NBA 2K24, with players and actions unfolding around you in full 3D. Sonic Dream Team could have you running alongside Sonic and friends, dodging obstacles and collecting rings in a way that feels like you're actually there. This all-new level of immersion is made possible by Vision Pro's advanced hardware, including its micro OLED displays and spatial audio, which together create a sense of presence and realism that traditional gaming platforms can't match. The ability to use natural movements and gestures as controls further enhances the experience, making gameplay more intuitive and engaging. But what's driving all this magic? The heart of Vision Pro beats with state-of-the-art hardware. Boasting a micro OLED display that packs 23 million pixels into each eye, Vision Pro offers an unparalleled visual experience. Coupled with advanced eye tracking and spatial audio, this device doesn't just change how we see digital content, it transforms how we interact with it. And with the eyesight feature, staying connected to the world around you is easier than ever, ensuring that even in the deepest digital dives, human connection remains front and center. Security and privacy are top priorities for Apple, and Vision Pro is no exception. With Optic ID, your digital life is locked down tight, accessible only to you. And for those who prioritize inclusivity, Vision OS's extensive accessibility features mean that everyone can explore this new digital frontier. Apple's environmental commitment shines through in Vision Pro's design, featuring recycled materials and energy-efficient tech. This isn't just innovation for the sake of progress, it's a step towards a more sustainable future. Released in the US on February 2, 2024, with a starting price of $3,499, Vision Pro isn't just a device, it's the dawn of a new computing era. It's an invitation from Apple to explore, create, and connect in ways we've never imagined. So what do you think? Is the Apple Vision Pro the future of computing we've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Daily Scope for more deep dives into the world of AI and tech innovations. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.